Now come into tabletop. Knees hip distance apart, hands right under your shoulders, palms pressing down into the mat. You can have your toes tucked in or untucked. We'll do the cat-cow stretch here. With an inhalation, arch your back, pushing your navel down, lifting your chest up, looking towards the ceiling. With an exhalation, roll in, rounding your back, look towards your navel. Inhale out, looking up. Keep your shoulders straight. Exhale, roll in, rounding your back. Inhale out. Exhale, roll in. Inhale out. Exhale, roll in. This is really good for massaging your internal organs, massaging your spine, your back. Lifting up, looking up with an exhalation. Roll in. Inhale out. Exhale, roll in. Inhale. Exhale, roll in. Stay here for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, back to tabletop. Now sit on your heels. Elbows down on the mat. We'll work on warming our spine up, so we're going to move from child pose to cobra and back into child pose without moving our lower body, only moving our upper body. With an inhalation, lifting your hips up, lean forward, slide to the front. Bring your body down. Inhale, lifting your chest up. With an exhalation, roll back into child pose. Few rounds of this. Inhale, lifting your chest off the ground. Exhale, back to child pose. Inhale, make sure your elbows are locked in and it's not out. Lifting up. Exhale, back to child pose. We'll do a few rounds of this. Keep going. Inhale, lift. Exhale, roll back. Inhale. Exhale, back. Inhale. Elbows locked in. Lift the chest up. Exhale, back to child pose. Inhale. Lifting up into cobra. Exhale. Very good. Keep going. Inhale, come forward, bend your elbows locked in. Inhale up, lift the chest. Exhale, back to child pose. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, back. Inhale, come forward, lifting up. Exhale, back. Inhale, you're also working on your triceps here. Inhale, lift. Exhale, back to child pose. Few more rounds. Inhale, lift to cobra. Exhale, back to child pose. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, child pose. Last 2. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Inhale, come forward. Lifting up. Exhale, child pose. Stay here. Breathe in and out. Normalize your breathing.